Dividend investors, listen up. If you want double-digit yields, passive income, and steady cash flow, then these 5 ETFs are must-haves for your portfolio in 2025. Today, we're breaking down QYLD, MORT, SDIV, XYLD, and RYLD, each with yields over 10%. Let's dive in. First up, QYLD, the Global X Nasdaq 100 Covered Call ETF. This ETF uses a covered call strategy on the Nasdaq 100, generating monthly income from tech stocks. With a yield of over 12.51%, QYLD is an income machine, but comes with limited price upside due to its options-based approach. Next, we have MORT, the VanEck Mortgage REIT ETF. This ETF gives exposure to mortgage REITs, which invest in real estate debt. With the Fed's rate policies in play, MORT provides double-digit dividend income of 11.56% from companies like Annaly Capital and AGNC Investment. If you're looking for high yields across the world, SDIV is the answer. The Global X Super Dividend ETF spreads your investment across 100 of the highest-yielding stocks globally, with a yield of 11.27%. It's a favorite for passive income investors, but beware of riskier holdings. Then we have XYLD, the Global S&P 500 Covered Call ETF. Similar to QYLD, this ETF sells covered calls on the S&P 500 to generate consistent monthly income. With a yield of 11.56%, it's perfect for income-focused investors looking for steady payouts. Last but not least, RYLD, the Global X Russell 2000 Covered Call ETF. It applies the covered call strategy to small-cap stocks, giving it a high yield of 12.03%. If you want exposure to fast-growing companies while collecting steady income, RYLD is a great addition. There you have it, 5 ETFs delivering over 10% dividend yield in 2025. If you want huge passive income and market exposure without the hassle, these ETFs are worth considering. Hit that subscribe button for more investing insights and drop a comment. Which ETF is your favorite?